Hi. Welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to edit street art photography in Lightroom Mobile. Here are samples of before and after using this preset. Before we begin, please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment on what do you think about this preset. Also please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. First, go to Light and adjust the following settings. Contrast to 24. Highlights to -44. Shadows to 24. Whites to -25. And blacks to -28. Next, go to curves and adjust the following settings as shown. I copied the settings for faster tutorial. Next, go to color. Temperature to -2. Tint to 1. Vibrance to 10. And saturation to -23. Next, go to color mix. Go to red. Hue to 15. Saturation to 26. Luminance to -25. Go to orange. Hue to 10. Saturation to 20. Luminance to -14. Go to yellow. Hue to 2. Saturation to -18. Go to green. Hue to -2. Saturation to -28. Luminance to -4. Go to cyan. Hue to 5. Saturation to 18. Luminance to -6. Go to blue. Hue to -4. Saturation to -18. Luminance to -14. Go to violet. Saturation to -100. Go to magenta. Saturation to -100. Next, go to effects. Adjust the clarity to 20. And vignette to -6. Next, go to detail. Sharpening to 30. Noise reduction to 25. And color noise reduction to 25. And that's it for the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon for more videos. Thank you.